Hi friends, in this lecture we will study how to create a pattern brush. So first thing which we'll do is we'll click on the ellipse tool and we will make a small ellipse like this. After we have made the ellipse, we will fill it with one color and we will remove the stroke from it. After that we'll use the direct selection tool and click on the upper anchor point, keep the shift key pressed and drag and bring the left point in the center and drag and bring the right point in the center. Then draw a marquee around the central two anchor points and using the down arrow key from the keyboard pull it down till you get the shape of a leaf. Once you have got that, then use the selection tool and click outside. Now our one leaf is ready. Now we will draw one central line by clicking and dragging like this. I'll keep the shift key pressed so that I get a perfect vertical line. I will give the stroke color as black and increase the thickness to 3 points. Then I will bring this leaf close by and I will rotate the leaf like this. Then I will reflect this leaf. So I use the reflect tool. I bring the anchor point to the lower node and I keep the alt key pressed and I make another leaf like this. Then I select both of them and I press the alt key, copy them down and copy them down like this. One more time we'll copy it. We will stretch the line a bit. Now we'll make the leaves up and down. So we'll make one leaf down, one leaf up, again one leaf up, one leaf down, one leaf up and one leaf down. We will increase the line height and we'll take the leaves so that there is space between the leaves like this. So that each leaf has its own shape and they look separate and independent. Maybe the last two we don't need. So we now have the shape ready. Now we will select all of them like this and we will group them and we will rotate them 90 degrees like this. Whenever you want to make a pattern brush, always ensure that your pattern is in a horizontal fashion. Then click on the brushes and then select new brush, then select pattern brush, select OK. We'll reduce the scaling. We'll select the method as tints and we'll select OK. Now our pattern brush is ready. I can delete this pattern and anything which I draw now, it will get that pattern effect. and I can even reduce the thickness like this, or I can even increase the thickness like this. I can even change the tints like this. If I want to adjust the brush, I will double click here and I can make other adjustments here. I'll select preview, and just like we have made small scaling, we'll make it bigger scaling. So you can adjust the scaling from here. Then it is stretch to fit. You can say add scale to fit or approximate path. Method is tints. You want to flip across or flip along. Okay, and then there are various other patterns, original, or you can select auto overlap, auto centered. So you get many patterns over here. You can adjust the spacing. Okay, so you can increase the spacing from here, or you can reduce the spacing from here. Okay, and you can adjust the tints from here. You can scale it to fit. I always select approximate path and click on OK. Now the beauty of this pattern brush is, if I draw a perfect circle like this, and then I apply the pattern brush with a thickness change, so you can get a beautiful pattern. This the lines at the corners, if you want to reduce them, then when you are creating this pattern, that time reduce these lines at the end. So I'll ungroup it, and this line will reduce it like this, and from here also we'll reduce it, and then we'll select all of them. We will group them. We'll select new pattern, new brush, pattern brush. Okay, pattern brush 2. We'll scale it a bit down, approximate path, tints, and OK. I'll just take this to the side. I'll draw one circle and I'll fit it with pattern brush, and you can reduce the thickness. So you can see now it is without any gaps. You can even take a closer view to see how beautiful it looks, and you can even color it with any color of your choice. So friends, hope you have understood how to use the pattern brush. With this, we end this lecture. We'll see you in the next lecture. Till then, goodbye.